Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use the Excel table in the Outlook online. For that, we are going to cover in Outlook desktop application and web application. This is the Outlook desktop application. Click on this new mail icon and keep the cursor in the body of the email. So open the Excel sheet you want to paste it here. So select all by clicking the Control A. So Control C. Again coming back to the Outlook desktop application. Here I am pasting by clicking the Control V. So here it is pasted like without border. So click on this, and if you click on this option, left click, it will show borders. So click on this all border. If you click on, the border will be placed. So it will looks like a table format in the Outlook online desktop application. So this is one method of pasting the Excel table in the Outlook online. So coming back to the Outlook online web application, similar to the desktop application, click on this new email option, and so once the copied file can be pasted here. So in this Outlook web application, it will automatically paste it in the tabular format. So no need to we keep on adding the borders once we paste it in the Outlook online web application. So this is the method we can copy the Excel table in the Outlook online web application. Again, coming back to the Outlook desktop application, there is one more method where we cannot able to edit. So once copied from the Excel table, just right click on the, keep the cursor in the body of the email and right click, and you can see the options like paste options. Under this, click on this U. So once you click this, it will automatically paste it in the tabular format in the Outlook online desktop application where you cannot able to edit anything. So this will be safe and secure method. So another method of adding the Excel table into the online Outlook online desktop application, we can take the screenshot. So by clicking the print screen option in the keyboard, here I am using the Snagit, and if you do this, so once it is done, again Control C, it is Control C, again coming back to the Outlook, then it is Control V, then the screenshot will be pasted in the Outlook online desktop application. This is one way of adding the Excel table. So one more method, that is the final method, is the traditional method where we can attach our email, means attach our Excel sheet into the Outlook online desktop application. Once it is done this, I'm just cut this option where you can click on this insert option and click on this attach file. So you can just browse this PC. So this is one way of attaching the Excel sheet into the Outlook online desktop application. So I hope you understand this video. This is the method for adding the Excel table into the Outlook online desktop application and web application. For more video like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more notification. Thank you.